The sun came up on a brand new day. Mama Hen said, let's go play. 5 little chicks came out in a row. Waddling behind her, off they go. They marched to the beat, a happy sound. Their tiny feet danced on the ground. Cheep, cheep, they sang all full of cheer, exploring the farm far and near. One saw a butterfly floating bright. He chased it left and then to the right. Another chick found a puddle to jump. He splashed so high with a happy thump. A shiny bug flew round their feet. Its glowing body looked so neat. Then 2 chicks played a game of peek in a haystack hide and seek. Mama Hen gave a cluck so clear, time to come back, my dears. All 5 chicks came running fast, back to Mama safe at last. They snuggled close, the sky grew dark. The stars came out with a little spark. Mama whispered, sleep tight, my dears, as moonlight danced and calmed their fears.